So in this video we'll talk about the problems related with the top and bottom thread that cannot be stranded together, or if one of the threads is loose. Now if we look at the sewing machine, it is already in a correct composition, so we're just going to start sewing. And because it is already in a correct composition, there shouldn't be a problem. So I sewed the top side of the fabric with a green thread, and the other side I sewed it with the red thread. And as you can see, the red thread is loose and is not in the right position. And once you pull out the thread, it will instantly come off. The reason is because one of the thread is loose. If the red thread is loose, in this case it is the bottom thread, it is because the tension screw is also loose, so you have to tighten it up. To tighten it up, simply spin the tension screw clockwise until you can hear a click sound. Now let's try sewing it again. Now as you can see, there is no problem. So, if it's the bottom thread that is loose, simply tighten the tension screw.